Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to leave a group on Facebook. So the steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, go and open your Facebook app. So after you open your Facebook now, tap on this menu at the top right side. Under this menu now, scroll to down and tap on this groups section, these groups. After you come to these groups, all you have to do now, tap on this your groups. So under this your groups, as you can see now you can be able to see all the groups that you are currently joined. So now if you want to leave a group, all you have to do now, go and tap on the group that you want to leave. So for me, let's say I want to leave this group. So as you can see now, after I open the group, as you can see like this one, here is the group now. If you want to leave the group, so tap on this section, this join button, tap on it. So from this join button, as you can see now, there's an option which says unfollow group, manage notifications, and leave group. So tap on this leave group, the last option. Tap on this leave again, leave group. So as you can see now I exit from this group. That's it guys. As you can see now it gives me new join button because now I leave the group. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys.